So the easiest one to do is, they're all the same size. Let's go take a look at 6A through K. And if you happen to flip to page 431, you can see the table says maximum number of, oh, and I forgot to tell you the voltage rating. We are 600 volt, my bad. .600 volt, because it does make a difference. We can look on page 431. You see on the left side, number 14 gauge. We can install a 16 millimeter conduit. For these 5 number 14 conductors. It is that easy. Now, there is another method that you could use. And if you take a look at sub-rule 4, it somewhat explains it. We can actually use the measurements of the conductor, and we can go to table 10 and determine we're not dealing with stranded conductor. So let's flip to page 461 area, not 10A. So we are a solid conductor, and if you go to table 10C, so dimension of solid insulated conductor for calculating conduit fill. And notice the hashtag marks on the bottom where you have the star and the jacketed and unjacketed. So we want RW90 X-Link without a jacket. So you're looking for this symbol. And you would be looking at the first table on your right. So the area millimeter for number 14 is 7.78 millimeters. Now, we have 5 conductors in that raceway. So we multiply that by 5, so that gives us 40. 7 times 5 is 28. Larry, help me out with the calculator here. 35, 36, 39.
35 by 39.
5 times 7 is 35, 36 or 7, 38. Am I close? 38.90 millimeters squared.
Well, let me again. Try again.
It's right there, 7.78 times 5.
7 point.
Now then, we then cross-reference back to table 9J on page 457. Look down the 40% fill, conduit fill, because we're only using 40%. And we can see that we can have 67 millimeters of fill. So if you take a look, we are well under the 67 millimeters, and we've verified with 2 different tables that we could use 1/2 inch electrical metallic tubing. So thanks for watching. We're going to come back in a couple minutes with a different calculation, and we'll play with some numbers again. Talk to you soon. Take care.